animate. Make your free animations. Go animate. Make your free animations. Yeah!
This video is a collaboration between DC-10 Owlboy 9762, Go Legacy, and Talking Dimension.
Okay class. Today we're gonna talk about the challenge of natural hazards. Dwight, are you even paying attention?
Yeah, I think so. I'm just too tired and bored.
Just try to keep yourself awake. Understand? Anyways, as I was saying, we're gonna learn about the challenge of natural hazards. Now can anybody tell me what is the challenge of natural hazards? Now class, I will pass to you all one by one the work the challenge of natural hazards. Huh, where are they? Well damn, it seems like I forgot to print all of you the work. I'm going to the office. I'll be back.
Man, this class is boring.
Hey, for what it's worth, we would not survive with the swearing teacher saying damn or shit in half of his lessons.
For once I agree with Dwight. There isn't a single terrain. The earth is flat, plain and simple. What?
So uncultured you are.
I actually don't quite mind learning some of the natural disasters, and Mr. Buchanan is nice, but his lessons are far too difficult to sink in.
Joey, come on. Difficult. The lessons are boring. He keeps reading long-ass paragraphs so fast I can't even catch up.
Geography isn't for me. I'm only taking it because it's required.
Too bad Mr. Buchanan took my electronics away and confiscated them. I should have destroyed them before he touched them. The fines are just stupid.
Seriously, Fred? You'd end up paying more doing that.
Hey, he'd pay me. I'd be at Kim's any day than this class alone.
I'd go in and show him a natural disaster, though this class would probably not be any better.
For the first time, Oscar, I would agree with you. But that doesn't excuse what the fuck you're doing to others here.
That's none of your business. Shut up. Guys, that's enough.
Yo guys, I think I've something in mind.
Okay. Go on.
I was thinking about detaching the chalkboard and throwing it out the window, but I can't do it by myself cause that thing is too heavy for one person. Does anybody want to help me with the chalkboard?
I don't mind helping you with that. I mean, it was hilarious how the chalkboard fell when you destroyed the detention room last year. Ha 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 ha.
I mean, Mr. Buchanan's not here yet, so I'll help you with that too.
Great. We could try to use Mr. Buchanan's desk and throw it at the chalkboard. Maybe that'll help.
Oh boy, this is where the fun begins.
Yeah.
Alright gentlemen. Let's get to it.
I'll help just as long as you don't make me do shitty things. Okay, what are you smirking about?
Alright boys, ready?
Oh shit, here we go again.
I thought Fred told me he wasn't gonna do this again.
Hey flat earther, you ready out there? Okay, here's so looking forward to this.
I know, right?
On 3 boys.
1,
2,
3.
Toss. Yes. The board's down. Great shot.
Great shot? You could have gotten me killed, you swine. Oh, you think that's funny? I'll show you what's funny. Okay, fatso. 2 can play at that game.
Okay, I won't lie, it's not gonna be the same without Oscar on the board.
Doesn't matter to me. Who else here would be a flat earther?
Ugh, I guess I'll have to cancel the assignment and come up with a last-minute alternative. Oh wait, that's it, the glove compartment. That is where...
You're a flat earther? No wonder you can't get a girlfriend.
What?
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up! We did it!
Hey Mr. Buchanan, can you help me up here?
Not now, Oscar.
Guys, let's get through the window.
Josh, you idiot, let us go.
Sorry kids, recess is cancelled.
Well, Fred, you should have reconsidered.
Josh, release them.
Dwight, Fred, Jay, and Lewis. How dare you chuck the classroom chalkboard out the window? That is outright disrespectful. And you all have damaged my fucking car when I was about to get the assignments from there. What the fucking fuck is wrong with you all? That's it. You four troublemakers come with me right now. You all are going to the headmaster's office with Oscar and you all are going to be in dead meat.
You boys did what? No wonder I have been hearing noises across the hall.
It doesn't stop there. Dwight and Fred taped me on the chalkboard, labeled me a flat earther, and Fred kicked me out the class.
Shut the fuck up. You literally admitted in the class that the world is flat.
Because it is, you candy ass bitch. Get the facts right.
You want the facts, punk? Your mother never got laid and adopted you just to please your dad. Any questions, flat earther?
Alright Tubby, you had this
Oh
coming.
shit, he's got a
Bring it.
knife.
I will plunge you, Dwight. I will plunge you until you are a dead carcass.
Oscar, Penton, flat earthers are absolutely wrong, firstly, and second, we don't bring knives to a school. You are suspended for 4 weeks and you will be having in-school suspension in detention. Take him out of here.
I hate you. I hate you, Dwight.
And I can't believe you boys chucked out a chalkboard out of the window, and damaged your teacher's car. I also can't believe you taped Oscar on the chalkboard and kicked him out of the class. What the hell is wrong with you all?
He got what he deserved for saying that the earth is flat.
Yes, Dwight, there's no such thing as flat earth. But that doesn't give you the right to tape him on the chalkboard. 2 wrongs don't make a right. Same goes for you, Fred, for kicking Oscar out of the class. All of you are suspended for 4 weeks, and your parents have to pay $4,250 for the damages you all have caused. Go home now while I call all of your parents.
Dwight Decker, I actually cannot believe you chucked the chalkboard out of the window in class, and damaged your teacher's car. Also, I cannot believe you taped Oscar on the chalkboard. What the hell's the matter with you, young man?
He literally said that the earth is flat, so flat earther got what he deserved.
Are you nuts? You could have put him in the hospital because of your dangerous antics, and we also have to pay $4,250 for the damages you have caused. That's it. You're grounded for 7 months.
We're also going to send you to therapy tomorrow, because this is seriously getting out of hand. Now go upstairs to your room. Now.
Fuck you all, this is bullshit.
Oh my god. This is unbelievable.
You tell me.